Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redesign your Contact Form 7. So first we need to install the Contact Form 7 plugin in our website. So I'm going to search Contact Form 7 here and install this one. Click on install. Now click on activate. Now I'm going to create here one page. Go to the page, click on add new, and here we need to type contact page name. So contact page, new contact page. And now here we need to go to the plugin section and go to the setting contact form 7, and here you will see the default contact form 7. So you have to copy and paste this shortcut code and go to your new page, click on plus sign and add your shortcode, paste this, and now we are going to click on publish. And now view your page. So here you can see that's the contact form 7. So we have to redesign this contact form 7. Now we have to open the customizer, and you can see here is the option under your website name, theme customizer. Just click on this. Now you will see here additional CSS. So just click on the additional CSS, and now I already have written the CSS of this code. I will give you the link of this code in my video description, so you can download and you can copy and paste this code from this website. And you have to copy this whole code like this and paste it in your additional CSS, and you will see that's the design of our new contact page. Click on publish and just click on cross, and now here you can see that's the design of your contact form. So you can see here the send button is not looking good, so I'm going to customize this right now. So go to the again theme customizer, and now you have to right click on your page, and you will see here inspect. Click on inspect, and you have to click on here selector option and click on this button, and here you will see this coding of this button. So I'm going to here you can see there is a size, so size is nothing, so I'm going to use here font size 20 px, and you will see here the good. So I have to change this code font size. So you will see additional CSS, and here you can see the size. Here you will see there is a size, so I'm going to just type here font size, it's 20 px. If you want to change much more things, so you can do this simply. You can change the background color. If you want to change the font color, you can do whatever you want, okay, with the CSS. So just click on publish and just cross. Now here you can see that's your amazing contact form 7 page. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.